As we have seen how to model a dogleg staircase in ETABS, now we will see how to model a spiral staircase in ETABS. Okay, so let's get to our model. I have made a different model here and defined one material as the beam 200 cross 300. Okay, just click on OK. Now here we will be making a spiral staircase. So for the spiral staircase, we just choose here as the beam and here choose as the all story format, and here choose here as the beam 200 cross 300. Just choose here. The beam has been selected. Now we have to select in the all story format, drag and select it. Now we go to edit. We have to divide it into two parts. So just choose this and go to here, edit frames. In it, choose divide frames, click on it, and a window will open like this of the divide selected frames. In it, we have to choose here as the divide into two frame objects. Just click on apply and just click on OK, and when you see that it has been divided into two parts. Okay, now to make a spiral staircase, we know we need to come to here one story format, and here select one beam and delete one part of the beam and delete. Okay, same way we have to do it for the alternate beam. Okay, for the spiral staircase. Okay, same way delete it. Then after, you can see that all this portion has been deleted. Just select it and drag and select it. Okay, and you can see that all the beams are being selected, right? Then after, to make a spiral staircase, we need to do some steps that are, we need to go to edit. In edit, we go to this extrude. We go to edit. In this menu bar, go to edit. In edit, we go for this extrude. In extrude, we go for this extrude frames to shells. Choose here as the extrude frames to shell. Then a window will open like this of the extrude frame to shells. In it, we have to choose for the radial extrusion. In it, we have to choose as the pick one point on the model. Here we have to choose this center point. Just choose this center point. Okay, after choosing this center point, here the rotate about the point width has been completed. We have chosen here as the center point of the 2 points. This is the whole beam. We want the center point here, so just choose here as the center point, and the point has been selected here. Then the second part here as the increment data. Here we have to put the angle. What is the angle? What its formula? Its formula is, for a spiral staircase, we need for the 180 degree, right? As the angle is should be for the 180 degree. For a circular, it is the 360 degree. For a spiral, it is the 180 degree. So we will just click here as the angle as the 180. We need to divide it by the number of steps. How many steps do you want? For the spiral staircase, we have to put here as the, this is the angle is equal to the degree, that is the 180 degree divided by number of staircase. We want the 20 number of the staircase here. So when you click on enter, the value came as the angle between each stair is the 9 degree. Okay, then the number, here in the number we have to put how many steps of the staircase we need to add. That is about 20 steps. Okay, then here the total drop means whatever 180 divided by 20, whatever the steps we have chosen there, we have to put here number as the 20. In the total drop, we have to choose here as the, what is the height of we have taken about 3 meters. Just click on apply. After putting 3 meters, just click on apply, and you can see that our staircase has been made perfectly. Just click on OK, and you can see in this 3D view that our staircase has been made perfectly here. It is the spiral staircase. Okay, now by doing this much, the total model has been not made. You can see it in the extruded format that the beam are present, the spiral staircase is present. Okay, but one more thing we need to do is that we need to extrude the frames. How to extrude the frames means this end points are need to be extruded, so that it forms to be in the form of the support. Okay, so to do it, we just choose here as the points. For the points, we just choose here in the all story format. Select the points 1, 2, and these are the points, that is the joints. Just select the all the 3 joints, and then go to this ground story, that is the basement level or the foundation level, and go to 1 story format, and here we have to unselect the frames. Okay, this joint part we have to unselect, and as you move above, you can see that the joint part has been selected. Okay, now the last step for this making of this spiral staircase is that extruding the frames. How to extrude these frames? After selection of this all the joints here, that is the 1 2 and all the joints, and we have to unselect the basement joints. Okay, so for that we go to edit, in edit we go to, in edit we go for the, where it is, extrude. Here extrude, in it we go for the extrude joints to frame. Just click on it, and here once again the window will open of the extrude joint to frame. Just click on the radial extrusion. Here we have to choose the same point that we have chosen for the this making of the spiral staircase. First of all, just choose this point, that it was the center point, and then after we have to put in the increment data the same detail, so that the 180 degree divided by a number of staircase, that is the 20 we want, and here the number as the 20, and the total drop of the floor, that is the 3 meter. Just click on apply, and click on OK. You can see that the frames have been now extruded. Okay, like this way it works. Now we have to add a column to it. So how to add a column? To add a column, now the total staircase has been made, but for a support we have to add a circular column. Now to add a circular column, we need to go here to the define. In define we have to define for a circular column. Just go to section properties, in it choose for the frame section. In it window will open of the frame properties. Here we have defined for the beam 200 cross 300, but now we need to define for a circular column. Just choose here as the add new property. Just choose here as the concrete rectangular section. Then after a window will open. Here we will be taking a column as the 300 diameter of the column. Okay, then after here the material will be the M30. Here the diameter will be 300, because it is the for only the support, so we will taking a smaller diameter 300 mm. Just here in the reinforcement, choose here as the modify show rebar. In it we have to choose the column, and in it for a circular column we choose here as the ties or the spiral. Just choose here as the ties, and in the reinforcement to be designed, click here and just click on OK. Here the modify show, here we do it as the 0.7, and just click on OK. Just click on OK, and your property of the column 300 has been assigned. Now we need to model it. So just choose here as the all story format, and here in it go to this quick draw column. In it here to choose the property of the column as the column 300, and you can see that here you can just put here the column, and you can see here that the column has been placed properly. Like this way we make the spiral staircase in ETABS. Okay, like this way we make a staircase in ETABS, that is the spiral staircase. Okay, in the next video we will see for a circular staircase.